Did that move or did I break something? Still can't move it like that. Oh, it's coming out. It's moved 2 threads. Oh, it's freeing up a little bit. There we go. Still mighty tight. Whew. Last. Oh, it's hot. Whew. At last, it's out. Bastard. We'll just have a quick break and have a little word from our sponsors. Oh yeah. There are no sponsors. So if you'd like to like and subscribe and drop us a comment, yeah, that'd help. And if you want to sponsor this build, that'd be good too. Okay, so let's just zip that up. It's close. 46 Newton meters. There we are. How close are we to a hole in the cast light? Oh, look at that. So almost spot on. Oh, I just want just a little bit more. I think I just went too far. Oh no, look at that. Absolutely spot on. All right, so we'll just bend our bottom tab down. I'll just bend the other one up slightly, just for a bit of insurance. And there we have it. Finally, tie rods are done. Yes. Well, actually, it's not all the tie rods. There's still 2 more to do, so that won't be tonight. Time for a beer now. All right, cheers. Catch us round.